In the world of tech, it feels like one moment your PC is a beast and the next falling behind. You don't need to scrap everything and start fresh. With the right strategic upgrades, you can breathe new life into your existing machine, keeping it relevant and powerful for years to come. I'm going to lay out the essential upgrades that truly matter, the ones that make a difference where it counts, protecting your investment and bringing you back into the game. I'm the Don. Tech's my business. First up, RAM upgrades. One of the easiest things you can do for an immediate impact. If you have some sticks like this, get rid of them. You want to upgrade your system to the max it can take, going from 16 gigs to 32 or 64 or beyond for heavy multitaskers and specific workloads. It makes a massive difference. Modern applications and games eat up memory. More RAM means smoother performance, less stuttering, and better handling of multiple tasks. Check and see what your motherboard can support as a max amount of RAM and consider going to that amount. Stick with high quality RAM like G.Skill Trident Z, or Corsair Vengeance or Dominator series RAM. Next, if you're still running your operating system or main programs off of a mechanical drive, this is a non-negotiable upgrade, an NVMe SSD. Swapping out that slow mechanical drive for an NVMe SSD, especially a good quality one, like Samsung 990, will fundamentally transform your PC speed. We're talking faster boot times, applications opening instantly, games loading in seconds, and it's not just an upgrade. It's bringing your PC into the modern era of responsiveness. And the same applies if you're running on a low-quality NVMe drive. Get that out of here. Or a SATA-based SSD as well. Now let's talk about the heart of your system, the power supply unit. People often overlook this, but it's crucial for relevance, especially for future upgrades. That old 650-watt power supply, it doesn't cut it anymore. Especially with more powerful graphics cards, and those non-gold rated power supplies, they don't cut it anymore for efficiency or reliability either. Investing in a higher wattage, higher efficiency power supply, like an 80 plus gold or better, gives you the stable power you need and the headroom for more powerful components down the line. Do not cheap out on your power. It's too important, and this could be leaving good performance on the table. I don't have one of those to break, otherwise I would. Graphics cards are oftentimes the most impactful way to boost your gaming and creative performance. Obviously, just jumping to a top tier card like a 5090 is not always the best move, especially if your CPU would bottleneck. But sometimes going from, say, a 2060 to a 4070 or even a future 5070 Ti would be a fantastic upgrade. Get you better frame rates, better graphics, and supports new technologies. Just always make sure the power supply requirements are there to handle the new card. And this is where your investment pays off in visual performance. While the next one isn't technically an upgrade to the PC itself, it's an accessory upgrade that delivers massive relevance to your experience, your monitor. Upgrading to a higher resolution, a higher refresh rate, or a different panel type like an OLED can truly unleash a whole new look to the same things you've been doing. It's about seeing your PC's power fully expressed and enjoying everything even more. Sometimes even your case needs an upgrade to stay relevant. If you're running a small, cramped case, upgrading to a bigger, more modern one can significantly help with cooling, especially if you're adding hotter components to the mix. It's about giving your powerful components the space they need to breathe and to look good doing it, as you can see with my wall-mounted computer and my main computer that I've tweeted about a whole bunch. A strategic CPU upgrade can also breathe significant life into your system if your motherboard supports it. Moving to a higher tier processor within the same socket can unlock major performance gains, especially for gaming and demanding applications. Always check the compatibility and be prepared to do a BIOS update prior if necessary, and this can extend the life of your entire platform. When you upgrade your CPU, or you just want to ensure the stability and unlock its full potential, sometimes all it takes is a better CPU cooling solution. Ditching the basic stock cooler and going for a high-quality air cooler or an all-in-one AIO liquid cooler will dramatically improve the thermal performance, allowing your CPU to boost higher for longer, getting you all the performance that you paid for. And next, in today's connected world, a relevant PC needs relevant connectivity. And upgrading your network card to a modern standard like Wi-Fi 6E, Wi-Fi 7, or faster wired Ethernet like 2.5 gig or 10 gig can significantly improve your online gaming, streaming, and file transfer speeds. It keeps your PC relevant in the high-speed environment. Smart upgrades aren't all about just buying new parts. They're about maximizing your investment. They allow you to extend the life of your existing PC, bringing it to the modern standards without the full cost of a brand new system. It's about making wise choices for enduring performance. If this guide helps you plan your next move, please like the video and subscribe to the Don Tech for more expert PC advice and upgrades. Drop your own upgrade success stories comments in the stories below or in the comments below, whatever works best. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the Don's got your back.